Hi there, I just want to give you an update on the Money Tree trading robot, which we started running on the 20th of March. And you can see it's running here on my live account on IC Markets, which is my preferred broker. Just looking at dates here, you can see this is where we put in the initial deposit. And what I did notice, or what we did notice, was the first thing, as soon as you install it, it opens trades almost immediately. These trades just open for some reason. I don't know whether it's a bug or a glitch, but they certainly don't open at the same time as any existing accounts which are open. They just seem to open straight away. And I did also get this confirmed by another user who had bought the Money Tree. They instantly also had these trades on installation of the train robot. So you can see here, it traded immediately. Luckily, all four here were in profit. What is interesting is that there were just 4 trades, even though I've got the Money Tree installed across all these pairs. So I've got, I think all but pound dollar. Looking at the history of pound dollar, it wasn't profitable. So that's the only one which I didn't install, but I've installed the others. I've got a couple of trades. Well, these are cancelled. These are just limit orders, and the only reason why they're there, I need these to be able to connect to my FX book. And the first real set of trades have been these ones. So the first real set of trades happened on the 3rd of April. So you can see here from here downwards, these trades opened, and all were in profit, which was fantastic. So I did compare this with the original My FX book from the author. They use obviously the Blaze Markets account. This is their amazing run since last year. And if I look at the trades happen on the same day, which was promising to see, the 3rd of April as well, as you can see here. The only difference is they had 4 trades, whereas I had 6 trades, so I did better than them. And obviously, sometimes you do get these differences depending on the broker that you use. So yes, I ended up with 6 trades, and they have ended with 4 trades, all winning, which was good. I'm just going to show you my trades now, and as you see here, the 3rd of April. So mine want to start here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and all targeting around 10 pips and all profitable. So to be honest, that's all that's happened. I am now waiting for the next set of trades to happen, but so far so good. It's looking great. So yeah, that's the update for the Money Tree trading robot on the 13th of April, and we'll provide a further update in due course.